Hi, my name is Sarah Bilasan and I'm gonna interview my father.
What's your question?
What role did education play in your journey to success?
Hmm. Education helped me become the person I am today. When I was little, my mom asked me what I wanted to be when I grow up, and I said, I want to be a scientist. I learned my ABCs and numbers from watching Sesame Street, and our house had a lot of books, encyclopedias, magazines, and newspapers that helped me learn more about science and nature. I was always curious about the earth, animals, plants, and the outdoors. In school, I studied science, subjects like biology, chemistry, and physics. Later, I took special courses about forestries, soil, and how to take care of nature. This helped me become a forester and a consultant who gives advice on protecting the environment and planning projects. Education gave me the knowledge and skills I need to do my job well. It also helped me follow my dream and help others through science.
Can you share a significant challenge you faced and how you overcome it to achieve success?
When I started working as a forester, things weren't easy. I had to begin at the bottom, doing basic tasks like counting trees and talking to different people. I had to follow instructions carefully and work very hard to earn trust and get promoted. To succeed, I needed patience, teamwork, and knowledge from school and experience. I also had to use common sense and science to solve problems. In real life, there's always competition. So you have to stay focused and do your best because if you don't, someone else might take your place.
How did your early life experience shape your approach to success?
My early life helped me succeed because I grew up with a very strong foundation. My parents and relatives always supported me, and I was lucky to study in good schools. I was surrounded by people who guided me and helped me become who I am today. I also had access to books, tools, and technology that made me learning easier. Most importantly, I was always willing to learn new things. Wherever I made mistakes, I didn't give up. I used them to improve myself. I tried new ideas and better ways of doing things so I could finish my work well. Because of this experience, I learned to be hardworking, open minded, and ready to grow, which helped me reach success.
How do you maintain motivation and drive to continue succeeding in your endeavors?
I stay motivated because I truly love earth science and the outdoors. My interest in nature makes me want to keep learning and discovering how we can use natural resources in ways that help people. I also stay driven because I have strong background from school and from my work experience. Modern tools, technology, and the internet makes it easier for me to do my job well and finish tasks successfully. My passion, my knowledge, and the tools I use all work together to keep me excited and motivated to continue doing my best.
And my last question for you, Dad, is how do you balance personal life and career to ensure overall success and fulfillment?
I balance my personal life and my work by managing my time well. Because of my experience, I can plan my tasks, organize my schedule, and even work from the laptop wherever I am. This helps me finish my job without losing time for the people who matter to me. I divided my time into what I call important duties: my duty to God, my family, my friends, and myself. I make sure each one gets attention so I can live a happy and healthy life. By keeping this balance, I stay fulfilled both in my career and in my personal life.